Papa, Pico, ya, Papa,
Whoa, careful.
Ja, ist es ein kleiner Hund? Ist das ein kleiner Hund?
He's a little dog. Ella.
Oh, it's the cutest thing I've ever seen. And hugging, and hugging. Oh, and licking.
Home, gas station, Drake Point. Home, gas station, 6th and Colton. What is it, 6th and Colton? The rum room, I bet it.
Let him in. Let him in. Go ahead, let him in. Uh-oh. Good job.
Allie.
You're gonna end up falling in the pool, eh? You know that. Uh-oh.
Raja, take care of the baby.
Wave! Wave!
Do it now.
I got it.
Several investment schemes sprang up to take advantage of this fabulous investment opportunity. Several schemes sprang up to take advantage of the financial potential of these birds. One scheme promised investors a 50% return on their investment within 1 year. To me, that would have been a warning sign. Nonetheless, sorry.
Here's the baby shrimp over here. Okay, he's playing with people. Take his Mama, that was awesome.
Oh, there's the duck. Watch out, watch out!
Paul, dito kami na chupetin. Ay, 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 ay. No, 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 come on.
Yeah, you see really, and I'm honestly bad at which ones are.
Would you just open the damn box?
Stella?
Isn't it cute?
Cool! Oh my god.
That's Stella.
Stella?
Yep.
What? You're kidding.
Oh my god, she's gorgeous. Oh my god, look at her. Oh my god.
Stella? That's Stella?
That's Stella.
Stella! You've got to be kidding me.
That's Stella.
You're kidding.
Oh, she needs to be held. Oh, Stella. Oh, Stella.
Stella?
Oh my god, she's just gorgeous. I think she likes you, dog. Oh my God, is she awesome? Isn't she cool? Happy birthday.
Oh my God, thank you. I can't believe it.
You have a new friend. You have her.
Babe!
You got her.
She loves me. What's going?
Wait, it's not working.
Is that a video?
Video.
Yours is on.
A video.
Get a picture?
She's in shock.
Alright, now I'm gonna through the board.
Hi! What you got in the box? Cookies?
Did you make us some cookies?
A present for you.
But don't open it yet. Don't open it yet.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Is this mine? Is this mine? Oh, hi there, little girl. Oh my goodness.
No, it doesn't unwrap.
Okay, I'm ready.
I know.
New puppy.
Move, Dawson.
Oh my god, a real puppy! Mommy! Are you dying? I didn't know there was a real puppy!
What do you think of your birthday present?
Awesome!
Wait, let me do this though. Oh, you didn't open it up?
No.
Open it up first.
Doll!
The doll.
It's a little puppy.
Oh, Daddy, you forgot to put the bow on
Yeah,
it.
let me put the bow on.
Oh,
Here you go.
there you go.
Shut up!
We've been babysitting.
Look at him. Look at his little face.